This isn't nerve-wracking at all. We'll see why in a sec. First stall out of the way. Emergency brake. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Come on, Brad. You got this. It isn't rocket science. Great success. He got the meats. Welcome to Northern Patagonia. Woo!
Mormon hiking trip.
We're wandering all over this biatch for the next 8 days, and we can't wait to show you what it's all about. Please, one more time. What do girls talk about?
I don't like my boyfriend. I don't like my boyfriend either. No, I like his boyfriend. Yeah. My sex life's not so good. Oh, mine's terrible. I got cramps last week. Oh, me too. Let's go to the bathroom together.
I'm just gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean?
There she is. Nice. We'll just take one. Whee.
One room is up here, and the other is in the first floor.
All right. 7 a.m. breakfast. Where is everybody? Made that hole themselves, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep. This is the get the back the fuck up.
What are you doing?
Ears are back, and we're making the noise. Yeah, it's not happy.
Let's do it, buddy.
We're sorry. Okay, well, you're just too cool standing there like that. Sorry.
You're posing for us. What do you expect us to do? What do you expect us to do?
Oh, bye. What up, beaches?
What up?
Aviles Trail in Patagonia National Park. Here we come. 10 miles, baby. Well, we hope we're following the right trail. Hey, babe.
Hello.
Chile, you are gorgeous. Patagonia, you're gorgeous.
You're something beautiful, electric chemical. You take my breath away, feel my emotions push and pull. Shooting stars.
Welcome to Casa Wine Mart.
That's right. Yeah. Come in, see my fireplace.
Oh, yes, yes. Please show us around. This is MTV Cribs.
This is where I have coffee in the morning. This is where I cook things. Periodically, I kill animals.
Oh.
Bones on the ground.
Oh, you savage, you.
Yeah, but I do have some shelves over here.
It's very spacious, and I like what you done at the place.
Thank you.
Brad wondered what smelled.
Like weed.
Like weed. Not quite weed, poor guy.
You feel like my You know you feel like magic. You know you
Wow.
dance in the living room.
Holy shit. Wow. This isn't nerve-wracking at all. We'll see why in a sec. This is fucked. Check out this cavern in Patagonia. Fucking epic! Aviles Loop in Patagonia National Park. I'm standing on this bridge. It's a little sketch, so I'm gonna get off. Oh yeah, one person's enough. One person's enough. That was fucking awesome. I think we all had that same thought. That's a long way down, buddy. That's a long way down. Madman. He's going for a cold plunge in Patagonia National Park. Woo! He's like a chimpanzee minky. And woo! Oh! Oh my god. You crazy! Yeah, how does that feel?
Get him a little more.
Right? Go for it.
Oh, definitely not 3 feet deep. One.
Oh. Whoa. Well, I don't think I had a very successful crossing of the little stream, as I'm sloshing around in here. That's gorgeous. Woohoo!
Yeah.
12.3 miles, baby.
That's right.
How'd you like it?
Forget about it.
Yeah?
Especially the naked time in the river.
Well, almost naked time in the river. It got a little PG-13. But there was beautiful river, gorgeous mountains, up and down. The trail was like super small, and then there's this epic bridge in the middle when we cross over to the other side. So super duper, highly recommend it.
Said paved road? What the fuck?
Right? It's nice.
Yeah.
In the Cochrane.
You know, I don't even really know where to begin because it seems like
Steak. Yep, just grab it and go. Chicken breast.
I'm just gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean?